Welcome guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today I am here at Atrium, the Bangalore resort cum restaurant just near Embassy Golf Park. And you can see the beautiful ambience and the vibe of this resort cum restaurant, which also serves fresh crafted beer with different culinaries they offer. See the beauty of this place. See the heights of the roof, and it is in Domlur near Embassy Park, just opposite to the EGL Embassy Park. A beautiful resort cum restaurant offering different bars. See the beauty of this place, guys. So awesome. They have beautiful piano. What a vibe of this place. What a beauty it is in Bangalore. One of the best resort I saw, with a great vibe, with a great decorum all around the place. Beautiful place in Bangalore, guys. Different beautiful photographies and portraits, paintings are there on the wall. Different buffet and culinary options are there. This is a coffee barista section. This is pizza section. They have a live pizza option. This is a bar and the liquor section. And this beautiful Paul resort, a decent place in Bangalore to spend your evening with the loved ones and your family. See the beautiful paintings, guys. How beautiful they are. Just going with the calmness, just going with the theme of this resort. Really beautiful, so calm, so serene, and the vibe of this place is actually eye-catching and mesmerizing for the one who just want to have a good, beautiful dinner with the loved ones. And you can see they have the advertisement of the Paul Bangalore. see the resort, the rooms, the food, the liquor, the bar. Everything is awesome. They are offering. So with this, we are good to close the video here itself.